dear friend, welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School New Area Nawada. Today I discuss the new exercise, the part of the quadratic equation, and that exercise is 4B. In this exercise, we discuss how you can solve and how you can find the value of x by the method of completing a square method. So I write down first questions that you have to find the value of x, otherwise to solve it by the completing the square method. Question is x square minus 6x plus 3. Before this question, you discuss about two things. First, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is complete square, that is a plus b whole square. And next, a square plus b square and minus 2ab, and it is equal to a minus b whole square. I use this two square form in the questions of exercise 4B. So dear students, first you write here x square minus 6x plus 3. How you write in the here is a square, here minus and plus. So you solve this a square plus b square minus 2ab. How you can solve it? You arrange this number in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you write here a square, that is x square, minus 2 into x, because a is given. So 2 into a into b. Now your question is, what you write here? Here is 2 into x and here is 6. So 2 is the formula from here, 2, and a is the here, that is x. Then what is right? B. Then you get 6x. So it is clear, you write 3. So it is 2 into a into b. Then it is 6x plus b square. And next, this b square is not given in your question. So you write minus b square and plus 3 is equal to 0. Next step, it is the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x minus 3 whole square. Because a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is the formula of a minus b whole square. I write here at the place of a is x and place of b is b, 3, so it is x minus 3 whole square. And here I write 3 square and minus 3. Then here is x minus 3 whole square, and it is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So we write x minus 3 is equal to under root 6, and here is plus minus, because a square change into the root, and the root of the 6 is plus minus root 6. So what is the value of x? Then x is equal to 3 plus minus root 6. So one answer is 3 plus root 6 and other answer is 3 minus root 6. So it is the true answer to solve the question x square minus 6x plus 3. Now see question number 3. You have find the value of x by completing a square method. That means first you complete this method, that is a square plus 2a plus b square, and it is equal to a plus b whole square. So dear student, you write here it is a square, that is x is given, plus 2 into a. 2a because a is here and 2 is from the formula. Then what you write b, then you get 8x, then it is clear, you write b is 4. So it is x square plus 2 into x into 4, that means a square plus 2 into a into b, and then plus b square. But this b square is not given in your question, so you subtract it. So you write here, that is b square. And lastly, minus 2 is given in your question. Again one times, this is x square, that means a square, plus I write plus, formula is 2ab, 2 is from formula, a from x, that is 2a. What you write, then you get 8, that is 4, 2 into x into 4, that is 8x, and then b square plus 4 square, but b square is not in your question, so I write minus b square and minus 2 from the question, that is 0. After that, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means it is equal to x plus 4 whole square, and it is equal to 4 square plus 2. Next step, it is x plus 4 whole square, it is 16 plus 2, that is 18. Then what is the value of x plus 4? A square change into the root, so the value of root if we need plus minus 3 root 2. How? It is 18 and you write 3 into 2, 3 is here, so it is 3 root 2, and always write plus minus. Then x is equal to what? That is minus 4 plus minus 3 root 2. So one answer is minus 4 plus 3 root 2, and other answer is x is equal to minus 4 minus 3 root 2. So there are two solutions of the equations. Then we can solve it. Now see question number 5. Here is 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Dear student, here the first term is 2a square. This 2 is the no a square number. So your first problem is how you can convert this 2x square in the form of a square. So general way, you can multiply by 2. Then you can get, when you multiply by 2 both sides, LHS and RHS, then what you get? You get 4x square plus 10x minus 6, and here 0 into 2 0. Now you write 4x square, then it is clear it is the square of 2x. So if your question is given 5x square, then multiply by 5, then you get 25x square. Similarly, your question is 8x square, then you multiply by 2, then you get 16x square. So what number you multiply, you get the square number. You first keep in mind. Here in this question, you have only 2x square, and you have find what is the square number, that is 4x square, nearest of 2x square. So what number you multiply, you get 4x square, that is 2. So 2 multiply by 2x square, that is 4x square. 2 multiply by 2, that is 10x, and minus 3 into 2, that is 6, is equal to 0. And now write in the form of a square. Your question is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you write here, it is a square, next 2ab, 2 into a. Now here is problem. When 2 into a write, what number you multiply, you get 10. Here is 2 into 2, what number you multiply here, that you get 10x. If you have any problem, then this 10x you multiply by 2 into 2x, divided by 2 into 2x. What you get? 2, 5 and x. So that is 5 by 2. Then it is clear, when you multiply 5 by 2, then you get 10. Because 2 cancel, then 5 to the 10x. So what number at the place of b, it is only clear when this number is divided by 2a. In this question, here is 10x and 2a is 2 into 2x. When you divide it, then x cancel and 2 5 then your result is 5 by 2. Then it is clear at the place of b is 5 by 2. After that, if it is 5 by 2, then it is b. So what is b square? That is 5 by 2 whole square. But in this question, this 5 by 2 is not given. So you subtract 5 by 2 whole square, and minus 6 is equal to 0. What you get here? Here you see, it is the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is the formula of 2x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square plus 6. Next step, here is 2x plus 5 by 2 whole square. Here is 25 by 4 and plus 6. What you get here? Here LCM is 4. It is 25 and plus 24. That is 49 by 4. And next is 2x. So 2x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 49 by 4. This square converted into root. That is 2x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 49 by 4 and the root. What is the value? It is value 5 plus minus 7 by 2. So what is the value of 2x? Then 2x is equal to plus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Because this is plus 5 by 2, so minus 5 by 2. Take LCM, this is 2. This is 7 minus 5. That is 2 by 2. So it is 2. So what is x? that is 1 by 2. Because here is 1, then 2 divided, that is 1 by 2. So one solution is 1 by 2. Next solution, your question is plus minus n by 2. So next solution you can write 2x plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 2. Because here are two solutions of 49 by 4. One is plus 7 by 2, another is minus 7 by 2. I write here plus and minus. This is 7 by 2. Then one is plus 7 by 2. I solve here, and next is minus 7 by 2. So 2x is equal to minus 7 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Then 2x is equal to 2 and it is minus 7 minus 5. Then 2x is equal to minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. Now what is x? That is minus 6 by 2. So it is minus 2. So there are two solutions. One is minus 3, another is 1. So by a squaring method, you can solve the question how you can find the value of x. Now see question number 7, that is 8x square minus 14x minus 15 is equal to 0. First you write it is the equations. And here is 8x square, you have need to a square number. So after 8, a square is 9 and then 16. What number you multiply, you get 9, it is not possible. So when you multiply by 2, you get 16 and 16 is the square number. So you multiply by 2. Then you multiply by 2, what you get here? 16x square minus 28x minus 30 is equal to 0. Next step, it is a square. So what number is square? That is 4x. So it is a square minus 2. I write here minus, then you write minus, here plus, then you write plus. Minus 2 into a into b. What number multiply and write at the place of b, you get 28x. So I told you that it is 28x and divided by 2 into 4x. 2 into 4x. So this x cancel and 4 7 down. That means 7 by 2. When you multiply 7 by 2, then clear way 2 cancel and you get 28x. So 2 into 4x from a, and at the place of b is 7 by 2. Next b square, that is 7 by 2 square minus 7 by 2 square and minus 30 is equal to 0. Minus 30 then is equal to 0. So it is a square 2ab plus b square. So we write 4x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 7 by 2 whole square plus 30 is equal to 0. 30. Then here 4x minus 7 by 2 whole square, you get 49 by 4 plus 30. So take LCM, here is 4, here is 49 and 30 4 are 120 and multiply, then you get 169 by 4. Then 4x minus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 169 by 4, and this square is converted into root, so it is root plus minus. So value of 169 is plus 13 by 2, plus minus 13 by 2. So what is the value of 4x minus 7 by 2 is plus 13 by 2. So 4x is equal to 13 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Take LCM, that is 2, and 13 plus 7, that is 20 by 2, that is 10. So x is equal to 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. Similarly, your next topic is the next question is 4x minus 7 by 2, and then write minus 13 by 2. 1 plus minus 13 by 2, I write here plus 13 by 2, now I write minus 13 by 2. Then 4x is equal to minus 13 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Here is 2 minus 13 plus 7. So 4x is equal to 6 by 2, that is minus. Then here is minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4. It is your solutions. Then you can solve the questions by this. Now see question number 11, that is 2x by x square minus 5 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. solve this question by completing square method. So first, dear student, solve this question taking LCM x square. Next, that is LCM is x square, and then here is 2, and it is 5x, and it is 2x square is equal to 0. So it is 2 minus 5x plus 2x square is equal to 0. Arrange it. It is 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. First equation. Now here is 2x square, and you have need to write in the square form. So it is clear, you multiply by 2, then you get it in the square form. So here is square. Now 4x square minus 10x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then it is the square of 2x, it is a square minus 2 into a. What is b? You write b and you get 10, then it is clear, you write 5 by 2. If 5 by 2 multiply, then 2 cancel, then you get 10x, and plus 5 by 2 whole square and minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 0. Here is 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 whole square minus 4. Then LCM is up. Then it is 25 by 4 and minus 4. So here is 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to, take LCM 4, that is 24 by 16. What you get here? Here get 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Then 2x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 9 by 4 under expansion into 2. So it is plus minus 3 by 2. So what is the value of 2x? It is 5 by 2, here is minus, it is plus 5 by 2 and plus 3 by 2. Else 2, it is 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 2. So it is 4. So what is the value of x? 4 by 2. Then 2x. Next, 2x minus 5 by 2. Now plus minus 3 by 2. So write minus 3 by 2. So 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. LCM is 2 minus 3 plus 5. That is 2 by 2. And so on. So what is the value of x? That is, here is 1, 2 divided, so it is 1 by 2. So you solve this question by this method. Now see, here is root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So first question, what you multiply this number and you get is the square number. Here is root 2, then it is clear, you multiply this number by 2 root 2. When you multiply 2 root 2, then you get 4. So right there, it is 4x square and minus 3 to the 6 root 2 x and minus here 2 root 2 multiply 2 root 2 to 2 into 2 4 into 2 8. That is it. Dear student, here is root 2x square. So what number you multiply, then you get here a square number. So it is clear, you multiply 2 root 2, then you get 4x square. And 3x multiplied by 2 root 2, you get 6 root 2x. And when 2 root 2 multiply 2 root 2, then it is 8. So here is a square, that is 2x square, minus 2 into 8. What number you multiply, you get 6 root 2. So it's 6 root 2x divided by 2 into 2x. So this 2 cancel by 3 and this 3 root 2 x cancel, that is 3 root 2 by 2. So when you multiply 3 root 2 by 2, then 2 cancel and you get 6 root 2. And plus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square and minus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is equal to 0. Now see, here is the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we write here a minus b 3 root 2 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 root 2 by 2 whole square and plus 8. 3 root 2 minus 8 is also minus. Then here is now 2x minus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square. 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18 by 2 plus 8. Then here is 2. It is 18 and plus 8 to the 16. 16. Here is 18 by 2. Here is 8. 3 3 is 9 into 2. 18 and by 2 to the 4 here. Sorry, dear student, here is 4. Then here is 8. Then LCM is 4. And here is 18 and plus 8 4 is 32. So here is 50 by 4. Then it is 25 by 2. So what is the value of 2x minus 3 root 2 by 2 is equal to 25 by 2 under root. So what is the value? This is 5 by root. This is 5 by root. So what is the value of 2x? And it is also plus minus. So what is the value of 2x? That is 3 root 2 by 2 plus 5 by root 2. Take LCM. The LCM is 2 because 2 is divided by root 2. So LCM is 2. That is 3 root 2 and plus root 2 divided by 2, root 2 times, that is 5 root 2. So it is 8 root 2 and by 2 divided by 4, that is 4 root 2. So what is the value of x? That is 4 root 2 by 2 divided. So it is 2 root 2. So one answer is 2 root 2. And next, here is minus 5 by root 2. So you can solve here. That is 2x is equal to, here is minus 5 by root 2, 5 by root 2. So you write minus 5 by root 2 and plus 3 root 2 by 3 root 2 by 2. Then here is 2x, LCM is 2, root 2 divided by, this is 5 root 2 and this is 3 root 2. Then 2x is equal to minus 5 root 2, 3 root 2, that is minus 2 root 2 and by 2. Cancel, that is minus root 2. So what is the x? That is minus root 2 by 2. It is the value of the x. So you can solve these questions. First, how to a square number right, then multiply by 2 root 2 and then you solve. Now see, this is the last questions of this exercise. These questions tell us that it is the equation, that is 2x square plus x plus 4, and by completing a square method you have to find that it has no real roots. So first, solving by the method of completing a square, so you multiply by 2, then you get 4x square plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So what is the square number? That is 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x. What number you write? Then you get here 2x. Here is 2x square, 2 into 2, 4x. So 4x you have, that is 1 by 2. You multiply, then you get 2x. And plus 1 by 2 whole square, then minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 8 is equal to 0. So student, it is 2x plus 1 by 2 whole square. This part is there. And here is 1 by 2 whole square, here is minus, right, plus minus 8. What is solved? It is 1 by 4 and minus 8. Take LCM, that is 4 and 1 minus 32. That means it is minus 31 by 4. And here is 2x plus 1 by 2 whole square, and it is converted into the root minus 31 by 4 and write the roots. Then it is plus minus here. But dear student, here is the minus. And no any the square root of minus integer and rational number or other number. So it is not possible, and we cannot find the value of minus 31 by 4. Here the value of minus 31 by 4, that is negative, and the root of the negative we cannot find it. So you write here that there is no exist any roots of the equations. So now student, you solve the remaining problem. Thank you.